In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Battlefront 2 on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Star Wars Battlefront 2 is not natively available for iOS devices, such as a smartphone or an iPad. However, there is still a workaround that you can use to play the game and have a very stable experience. Even though it isn't going to be the best, it isn't going to be like playing it natively. Nowadays, you can stream the game over from a console. So for this method, you will need to own and play Battlefront 2 on either a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox console. And by running the game on either of these consoles, you will be able to essentially play it on your iPad. So you will have to choose between PlayStation Remote Play or Xbox Cloud Gaming. You should also be able to use Xbox Remote Play, which is essentially the same thing as PlayStation Remote Play. For Xbox Cloud Gaming, as long as you have a Game Pass subscription active, you will be able to play it. You don't even need to own the game individually on your account. So first, I'm going to start with Cloud Gaming. For this one, you have to open a web browser, primarily Safari, and go to xbox.com/play. So go to xbox.com/play. And when you go to this website, sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure that you have Game Pass active. And something else that you can do is going to the share button. So usually it is going to be this little square with an arrow. When you choose the share option, you will be able to add to home screen. And now you will have this little cloud gaming app on your home screen. Every single time that you tap it, you will be automatically redirected into this website. All that you have to do here is look for the game. So there will be a lot of games available. You find Battlefront 2. You make sure that you have a controller connected to your iPad and you choose the option to play. And keep in mind that for this method, you need to have a strong internet connection because you will be streaming the game over. Now, the other option is going to be with PlayStation Remote Play. For this, make sure that the option is enabled on your console and then run Star Wars Battlefront 2. With the game running, you will be able to set up Remote Play through the application for a PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. And once Remote Play is set up, whatever is running on your PlayStation 5 is going to be streamed over to your iPad. So it is going to be available for you to play. As long as your PlayStation 5 is running Star Wars Battlefront 2, you will be able to stream it over to your iPad. Then connect a controller to the iPad with Bluetooth and you can play from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Battlefront 2 on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.